friends and welcome. So today I'm very excited because in our garden I found something very big and very large. I did not even expect this at the first place until my parents showed me that. I was walking inside the garden, not even recognizing it. So today I'm gonna measure it out and find out what type of vegetable it is and cut it. So come on, let's go. This is the plant that I've been talking about. It is very big, bigger than I actually thought. It's not my first time seeing it. I've seen it once, twice, but this is long. I don't know how much it weighs, but I need to measure it of how long it is. It looks like 3 feet and 1 inches. 1 inch-ish. So it's close to that. So we gotta cut it now. Okay, here it is. 3 foot 1 inch-ish long snake guard. This is super big. This is nearly my height. It's basically 3 foot 1 inch-ish and a snake guard. And it's impressive and good. So let me come out. So this is a snake guard, 3 feet 1 inch long and 2.2 pounds. It's heavy. And so to grow this plant, it took us a long time, and the plant was a similar good shape as this big. But for some reason that slipped out of our eyes, camouflaged. And it grew to this big, up to 3 feet 1 inch-ish and 2.2 pounds. So we don't know if the seeds are ready. We're gonna check out, but to snake guard, the seeds should be ready. So we got a long snake guard, and we're gonna check if the seeds inside the snake guard are ready. Okay, so cut it. Whoa! Wow! Actually, look at this. I'm actually surprised. I never in my life have seen the inside of a snake guard like this. And it's very good. See, look how pitch black the seeds are. So those seeds we're gonna use to plant for next year. And we hope we get this same size or even much bigger snake guard. Whoa. You know, this kind of reminds me of the plants where, what do you say, those plants? Like, I don't know why, but this kind of reminds me of a dragon. So we're not gonna waste this outside. We're gonna use it for Indian cooking. This is better than organic. So now we're gonna wash it. And I'm gonna continue doing my job. So my mom has cut the plant, taken all the seeds out, and washed them. And here's how it looks. So now my mom is gonna cut them into even smaller pieces. And some we're gonna eat and some we're gonna store for next year. Okay, so my mom is cutting them into little pieces so she can put all of them into a Ziploc so we can save. Which I did not expect. To me, you might have estimated that this looks like 20, 30, but actually we got 57 seeds, which I wasn't expecting either. So our plant at first, and now our plant in the last place. So it's bigger than I expected, but lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it would be much heavier, but it's still impressive. And I still don't know how it would taste. We'll eat it and save some seed. So as you can see, to give you more info, we have more snake guards coming, and this is, out of all our vegetables, this is our biggest one. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much.